Begin by turning on the flash machine. Next, adjust your power setting to 6. If you plan on flashing multiple units, we recommend you use the optional cooling fan. Open the lid on the flash machine. We recommend stapling your vellum to the transparency paper to keep them from shifting during production. Place your vellum in the exposure chamber. Place the die box upside down, carefully aligning it with the artwork. Close the lid on the unit, push the handle all the way forward until it locks, and press the flash start button. There will be a single flash. Disengage the handle, open the lid, and peel your flash die from the vellum. To prep your ink bottle, start by removing the cap from the nipple. For proper ink flow, cut the nipple just above the first notch. Replace the cap on the nipple. Unscrew the cap on your ink bottle and replace it with the nipple. Your ink bottle is now ready for use. To ink your 275 S-Style, fill the chambers with ink, creating a heaping effect. It is important that the ink is fully absorbed before proceeding. Once the ink has fully absorbed, place your die box into place in the mount. Ink migration is approximately 30 minutes for Forever ink and 1 hour for premium ink.